Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will talk about the euro currency and start from the daily time frame. Yesterday, although not without some adventure and tricks, market still has proceeded higher to the upside and almost has reached the monthly pivot point that we have specified as the potential resistance area, potential target for some intraday patterns, and from which point some retracement could start. When in general, if we will take a look at the daily picture, in general we see that previously market has shown some solid trend to the downside with this long-term parallel channel when the price action holds for the significant period of time, and that swing to the upside is the first solid retracement in overall this downside move. You can see also that this swing up is greater than previous swing down. This very common when the market starts some kind of the short-term retracement, some solid retracement, or even when the reversal comes. This very typical for the startup point of this potential price action when the next swing to the upside is greater than the previous swing to the downside. If you will take a look at the overall picture on this, when the market has shown this downside move, you will see that any retracement was smaller than following move to the downside. You can see move to the downside, shallow retracement, move to the downside, retracement smaller, move to the downside, but here you can see that this retracement is greater. So that is the general bullish pattern. But based on the daily time frame, it's almost impossible to say where market could start to show some retracement to the downside, because since this is the first jump, the first pullback, solid pullback in the overall bearish trend, usually after such kind of the pullbacks, market shows deeper retracement. So it could be even return back almost to the bottom, or at least the 618 retracement from the whole swing to the upside, initial retracement. Well, but on the daily time frame, it's very difficult to anticipate and predict from what level market could start this retracement to the downside, because theoretically it could start as from that level as from that level, because based on that area, this is also considered resistance, monthly pivot point, the intraday target of the 3 drive sell pattern that was forming on the 4-hour time frame. Also you can see the fib resistance 131.47 from this high to that low. Okay, so that is also resistance. Next area is more solid. This is the daily confidence resistance that includes the major 3-8 resistance of the whole swing to the downside, 132.40. That's why it's very significant level. Also, that is the target of the daily 3 drive buy, the minimum target at the top between second and third drives, and this is the minimum target of that pattern that market usually reaches when it shows retracement based on the 3 drives pattern. So market could proceed a bit higher, meeting this resistance, and only after that starting to move to the downside. So currently our major task in the nearest time, on the current week, maybe on the beginning of the next week, is to keep an eye and monitor the intraday charts to estimate potential patterns that could say that probably retracement should start at this point. Well, and currently we stand at such kind of the point. So that's why we should keep in close attention to the intraday charts and take a look what is going on the lower time frames. On the 4-hour time frame, here as you can see that 4-hour time frame has turned bullish. Okay, that is our 3 drive pattern. This is the first drive. Second drive stands at 1618 extension of the first, and the third drive should stand also at 1618 extension of the second drive, so you can see. Okay, also we have this ABCD pattern that was a bit adjusted by yesterday's price action due to FOMC meeting once was announced that the rates will hold the minimum levels until 2014 year, so that is not very impressive issue for the dollar. So you can see that market in the beginning, before the FOMC meeting, shows some retracement, fixing some profits, but later market accelerates and has adjusted our C point that we have discussed yesterday. So now we have A, B, C bottom. Market accelerates right from the 618 to the 100% and has hit this target as 131.19. So that is price action tells that in most cases the odds suggest that the market accelerates right from the 100% extension without any respect of the 618 extension. It could proceed higher. You can see that AB leg is much flatter than CD. CD is much steeper. So that shows us the bullish strength on the market, and probably it could proceed higher. Okay. Well, the target of the free drive pattern stands right here. It's around 131.50 area, and that is in agreement with the Fib resistance 131.47. So in general, that is an area of resistance, and market could show some pullback to the downside. That's why it's not quite logical to enter long right from that area. It's better to wait some pullback. From another point of view, if market first will hit 1618 target, then as we know, the minimum target of the free drive pattern is the low between second drive and the third drive, and that is 129.30 area. It's right here. And if market will reach that area, this will be precisely 1618 retracement from the whole swing to the upside on the daily time frame. This in turn could lead to this head and shoulders pattern, okay, and only after that market could proceed higher, if it will do it at all, okay. But this pattern could trigger the solid retracement on the daily time frame. That's why it's so significant and so important. If market will break that area to the upside without no respect, without any solid pullback to the downside and proceed higher, then probably we could expect reaching of that area. 132.40 is the next target, and the target of this free drive buy pattern on the daily time frame. So keep a close look at that level, because this is significant resistance, and take a look how market will respond around that area. On the hourly time frame, we see why market has adjusted our C point, because if you take a look at that pattern, A, B, C top, you'll see that 100% extension stands 129.45, slightly lower than this point. Market just accomplished this ABCD pattern, complete this godless triple to buy initial swing, ABCD retracement, and acceleration to the upside. Well, but currently what we have, hourly trend is also bullish. We have two significant levels that market could reach before accelerating to the upside. This is 130.70, the first fib support. The next fib support is more significant because this is hourly conference support, is around 130.30, 130.40 area. That is also, you can see this previous resistance, now it could become the support, and that is the area of the 50% support of the thrusting bar to the upside. So market, in general, market could show some retracement here or here before continue move to the upside. But if market will start break this level to the downside, then probably we should wait of taking out with this 29.30. So you can see that current situation is a bit tricky and not simple to understand and to analyze. Well, that's been said, what is now a consequence of the action? What we have to do today? First of all, take a look at that level. Market probably will hit it before any retracement will start. When market will do this, hit this area and start retracement to the downside, keep an eye on these two levels. So if market will break both of them to the downside, then market should reach the 129.30 area, take out this low due to this free drive sell pattern. In this case, we could say that free drive pattern has been triggered and the minimum target was taken out at that low. If market will find support here or here and will not proceed lower, well, in this case, probably the odds exist that market could reverse to the upside, since this is thrusting move is really solid, and accelerate further, probably to the 132, 132.40 area. So There are two levels to watch for. The first level is the reaching of that area of resistance and completing with that 3 drive pattern, and then monitor how market will respond to that level and how it will act around that support levels.